The Festival of Remembrance held at the Royal Albert Hall was marked by a profound sense of unity and solemn respect as the Prince and Princess of Wales led an emotional tribute to the families of fallen soldiers. In her first public appearance since completing chemotherapy, Kate joined her husband Prince William and a tearful audience to honor those who had made the ultimate sacrifice for Britain. The Royal Albert Hall radiated with both pride and poignant emotion as the crowd rose to applaud the families of fallen soldiers, with the Prince and Princess of Wales leading the touching tribute. Military personnel lined the stage, each laying a symbolic rose to honor lives lost, with Ben O'Donnell, son of the late warrant officer Gary O'Donnell, placing the final flower. The applause was thunderous yet laced with solemnity as the gathering recognized the sacrifices made by servicemen and women who served for king and country. This moment was made even more significant by the Princess of Wales' attendance, her first major public appearance since completing chemotherapy, embodying resilience amid personal and public challenges. Dressed elegantly in black, Kate wore a single poppy, symbolic of remembrance, down from the usual three, as she walked gracefully alongside Prince William into the Grand Kensington venue. The Waleses were joined by several members of the royal family, including King Charles, the Duke and Duchess of Edinburgh, and Princess Anne, each paying their respects with a quiet dignity that underscored the weight of the occasion. For King Charles, this year held particular meaning, as he took on the role of patron of the Royal British Legion, reflecting his lifelong dedication to honoring those who serve. The night saw musical performances by beloved British artists like Sir Tom Jones and Alexandra Burke, each adding a soulful tribute to the servicemen and women. King Charles, visibly moved, applauded the Chelsea pensioners as they took center stage, and the royal family rose in reverent silence to celebrate World War II veterans. The Princess of Wales' presence carried added poignancy, as she recently completed a challenging cancer treatment journey that began in January with major abdominal surgery. In a video message released in September, Kate shared her gratitude and renewed hope as she entered her post-treatment phase. She acknowledged the emotional toll of the last year but expressed a heartfelt commitment to continuing her public duties, albeit with a focus on her health and family. Her appearance tonight, radiant and resilient, offered a glimpse of her strength and dedication to honoring those who have given so much. In an intimate moment during the evening, Kate was seen conversing quietly with William, reflecting their shared commitment to supporting the armed forces community and standing with the families of the fallen. As the evening drew to a close, the royal family joined the crowd in singing the hymn "Guide Me, O Thou Great Redeemer," uniting everyone in a powerful display of remembrance and gratitude. This Festival of Remembrance not only commemorated the servicemen and women who sacrificed everything but also underscored the resilience of those facing personal battles, like Princess Catherine. The occasion served as a reminder of the courage and unity at the heart of the British spirit, as well as the strength found in honoring and remembering those who have made the ultimate sacrifice.